Did you know that your YouTube channel is your blog's secret weapon? If we haven't yet met, hi, I'm Elena, and on this channel I cover tech-related reviews and how-tos for entrepreneurs. I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn your YouTube videos into a blog post in 3 simple steps.
If you're wondering if this is worth the effort, consider that Google search has over 92% of the market share, and the best way to rank in Google is to have a lot of content on your website. If you have a YouTube channel and you can easily convert your videos into blog content, it's kind of a no-brainer.
So to get started, go to YouTube Studio for your channel. Click on the video you want to convert into a blog post. Then on the left-hand side, click Subtitles. If you don't already have subtitles uploaded, you can click Duplicate and Edit. Or click Edit for the subtitles you do have uploaded. If Edit as Text isn't selected, select it here. To be efficient, you can go ahead and clean up your closed captioning in here first, and then copy and paste it into a word processor or directly into your content management system, like WordPress, Squarespace, or Kajabi. If you're using a word processing program so that you can bring it into a DIY HTML site, go ahead and structure it, add styles and headers. All of that will transfer in this tool I like to use online called Word HTML. Copy and paste the text from your word processing document into the word editor on this online tool. And as you can see, all of the headers and the formatting has transferred over. And then over on the HTML tab, the tool has added the tags in the HTML. Then you simply select all of this and paste it into your HTML file. Now when I view my page in my browser, I have an almost completed blog post. I've already embedded my video as well. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend who has a YouTube channel or is thinking about starting one. And for more tech-related videos for growing your business online, subscribe and ring the bell. Until next time, be happy, be healthy, and always be building. Thanks so much for watching.